What's up, manana? Welcome to my vlog. For today, I'm gonna be discussing to you about other things in basic input output in C++. I know, yeah. So we've been actually discussing several what they call this one input outputs in previous programs, but today I'm gonna be focusing more on uh, other examples that you might encounter, or something like issues or problems that you might encounter along the way when you write programs in C++, especially when we talk about string. So this time, let's say we are going to take input from the user, a certain or like certain info from the user. Okay, so let's say we have here string name, we have gender and age. Okay, if you are gonna be asking me why age is a string, actually, if if that variable, or if you actually intend that the value of age is not going to be calculated, then therefore it's okay to actually not make it. I mean, to not define it as a data type. But yeah, if ever let's say for an assortment lang, or at least no assorted ato ang data type, let's make it like int na lang. Okay? And then we have here what else para magagamit na to ang float, let's say allowance. Okay? Then, so this time we're gonna be asking the user to type your info. Okay? Here, type your information ba? Or sige. Anyway, we are not right, then pala na sa buhay sila. So you have here uh, name. Okay. Have here sige, ato na lang po siyang i-ano, cin, say name, and we are going to copy paste this one. Oops. It's indented. Wala siyang space, and we have here name and gender, age, and allowance. Okay, so let's change this to gender, age, and then allowance. Right here, we are going to display the inputs based on the user's input. We're going to be displaying this to our console. So I name, or oops, you are a gender, and actually move this one here. I mean, you are actually a gender. Age is age is age age, and your allowance is is no, sige na lang. Your allowance is allowance. Okay, so let's run the program now, and uh, okay, so backslash n dapat ni, sorry. Okay, so have here, type your information below. So, and so name, we have here Marcel, okay, gender male, age 15, allow, oh, move na to na later on, no? So into by like backslash t para mag alignment for alignment formatting. So allowance is let's say 69,800 allowance per day ni siya, ha? Sana all. Okay. So you have here, hi Marcel, you are a male, your age is 15, and your allowance is 69,800. So we can actually add some like backslash t para medyo mag-align siya sa allowance. So, here, Marcel, male, 12, bata na pud gamay. So, running private case of Benjamin Button, no? So, nagkabata, and yeah, say 45,000. So, hi Marcel, you are a male, your age is 12, and your allowance is. So, again, no, it's our, we have actually what they call this one, better representation of our data. Okay. So, now, the thing that I'm going to actually elaborate on this specifically is what if the user is going to enter okay, to let's say it's simple no name. Wala siya nag-iyon unsa first name ba, middle name or last name, and there are actually other persons na pangalan niya full name tagduha. Let's say in my case I have here ang ano siya full name nako is Marcel Baste, and then after that, oh, so what happened? Yeah, anyway, let's padayon muna. So we have here allowance. So wala ang gender, no? Anyway, let's try to do that. So in here, so ano na, hi Marcel, you are, dapat you are male. So then your age is 23 and your allowance is 43534. So instead of ang, uh, ang male is dapat, I mean, ang gender is supposed to be dapat mo ng value dra, but wala niya read. So what we are trying to actually expect right here is dapat yeah, so dili basahon ang baste dapat. So kasi it has actually what they call this one parang space or white space in between. So kasi basically pag siin sa string dili niya i-read ang uh, two words, no? So there's actually a method that we use that pero i-fix na nato tong unsay nahitabo between why we cannot accept gender. So let's try if this one still work. Medyo okay, have here backslash and then let's say so this one is actually is going to ignore the input uh, by so meaning up to 256 character ang pwede niya i-accept and then until no maka-encounter siya og backslash n so i-read to niya ang Marcel Baste and then i-ignore niya okay, until yeah i-ignore niya and then hopefully i-read na ang gender and which is unlike kanina dili na ta maka-input sa gender. Let's say kung okay ba siya or maka-input na bata. So we have here Del Baste. Okay, there, tama, no? Okay, so yeah, male and 10, 10 na, ni bata-bata na gamay. Then allowance is 89,000. So, however, the problem here is that um, tama siya. Hi, Marcel, you are a male, your age is 10, and your allowance is 89,000. However, if you try to look at it, notice that baste is not, it's not actually read, no? I mean, it's not included in the output. Therefore, we'll have to fix this kasi Marcel Baste is actually part of my name. So dapat Marcel Baste here, no, makabutang. So if you're gonna be using only one like C in this case, so probably in Ana Jod, no, it will be this one will actually be parang dili read og appeal. Okay, so only the first word. So to actually resolve that, we can actually if we want na mag-accept na siya, so we actually use getLine. So this time, cin will be part of now of the limit. I mean, what they call this one as the parameter of that, and then the what they call this one the variable. Meaning, you are going to get the entire line of the name using an input statement. Okay, so and hopefully uh, tama na, no? Dawaton na niya ang Marcel basta. Okay? So let's say we have here Marcel Baste. Okay. Hmm, what happened? Maybe because of this ignore, remove, Marcel Baste, and there. So male, age 21, on dako na. Dapat allowance na ko dako na gamay. So, hi. Okay, so as you can see here, na siya ay, hi, Marzel Bastes. So, read na niya ang two words sa ato ang name, and then you are a male, your age is 21, and your allowance is 150,000. So, that's actually the case. That's actually for get line no, function. So, of course, for gender, dili siya pwede kasi dili siya pwede kay uh, one word lang man ang gender. And that is only applicable for string. Now, as what I've said earlier, no, what if ang age is calculated? So, pwede siya na, you are going to declare global in current year equals 2021. Okay, and then after that, you're going to, instead of ngayo kag age, ato ni siyang na, instead of mga kag age, mga na lang ka og parta, bitaw joke lang. Ngayon lang kag birth year, the year. Okay? So, instead of, yeah, age, atong pangayoon dire is birth, okay? Birth year, so pwede po ka mga tana og month and day, okay? Pero this time, birth year atong pangayoon, and then, place na to ni with birth year, then sumotong dapat ang tong age pwede ra to string. But this time, since calculated atong age karon, we can do something like this one. So atong age is going to be not parang dili siya input sa user. Calculated siya. So like age is equal to current year, a current year minus B year. So let's see now. What happened? Age was not declared. I'm so sorry. Nawala na yung na. So anyway, that's it. Okay. Mali ang keyboard. Dapat ako ang Y. Again, then let's run. So we have name. Kelsey Caden na punta. No? Kelsey Caden, gender female, and then birth year. Dapat talaga ba slash T. So birth year, it's let's say 20, or sige, let's say 1995 na lang. Then allowance is, so hi Kelsey Caden, you are a female, your age is 26. Tama ba? 26 ang 1995 and your allowance is blah blah blah. So for birth year, ato ano siyang tanggalan og backslash T para mas arrange. So yeah, that's it. That is if your age is calculated. And then another thing that I'm going to elaborate more on this is this one, no? Let's say if this one will work, instead of, let's say, say, see out tatong pattern is, uh, wait for a while. Mm, it seems like 2ST string is not, it's no longer allowed, no, in this our, what they call this one, on our compiler. So let's try something else. Say we have stream, and this time we're gonna be declaring like call this one string stream. Say here's string stream, say s stream, and then use the string, say from here to this one. Okay, I name you are gender. Mhm. This is in a Java base. We can because in C++ we can only like what do you call this one? We are only allowed to concatenate between two string types. Actually, Mm, that let's try this one. This is or this one will work. So, but this one is until gender only because they are actually both string. So, wait for a while. We lock something here. Class operator. Yeah. So 1994 advance. So there, no, it's okay. So we are able to concatenate two strings, and in C plus plus we are. It's actually difficult for us to concatenate string and int type and numeric type. So we actually tried earlier another parang one way, but it seems like it's not working. This time let's try this way. So it's going to be something like your age is and your allowance is this one. S- This one, this one is going to concatenate string and int. Okay, so the string your age is going to be concatenated to age int value as well as the and your allowance string to allowance uh, float value. Int and float. Hopefully this will work, no? And then yeah, so let's try it if this one will actually work. If not, then try another one. So it seems like it does not work. So probably what we are going to do is we just take yeah, so set stay allowance. Hmm. It's not work. So what we are going to do with this one. So kasi pag Java ni 'no, dali ra kayo unta, you just have to use plus sign. Anyway, even in so we just have to let's try this one. Stream the str. Um, mm, okay, let's try this one. Hopefully this will work. Okay, ayun. I hope no, it will work. So we have Marcel, Neil, 2005, and there you are. So it's okay, it's working. So you just have to, you know, being stream, allowance, just have your age. Okay, tell name, eight, allowance. Hi Marcel, you are a male, your age is 13, based on the year, and then your allowance is there you are. So at long last, so that's it. No, that's basic input output, and this one is actually focusing on like concatenating and uh, especially for issues on string and concatenating variables. Okay, so I guess that's it. You guys for watching this video, and I hope you've learned a lot of concepts in this topic. Bye.